Welcome back to my channel Learning Tech. Today I'm gonna explain a history of Python. History of Python, okay. So today I'm gonna explain the history of the Python, okay. Previously we have seen the introduction of the Python. In this part I'm gonna explain the history of the Python. So when this Python is being created, who has invented this Python. So he is a person who invented this Python language, okay. Guido van Rossum. He worked in National Resource Institute in Netherlands. Okay, so he worked in National Resource Institute in Netherlands. While he was working in this National Institute, National right, National Resource Institute, Guido van Rossum, he created this Python. Okay, uh, so in the year 1989. So this person created this Python in the year 1989, but it was not made available to the market in the year 1989 itself. Okay, but the official date of birth of this Python is the official date of birth means when this Python made available to the market means in the year 1991. So this is the official date of birth. Like I can say when this Python came into the market. Okay, so to be precise, February 20 1991. Okay, this was a year when this Python has come into the market. Okay, this was the official date of birth of this Python. Okay, but people think like this is a new programming language. Okay, because previously we've been working with this Java and C, right? We thought like Java is a older language than this. Okay, Java is older language than this, but answer is no, because Java was created in the year 1995. Okay, so in the year 1995 Java has been created, so but Python has been created in the year 1989 itself. Okay, uh, people think like Python is a new programming language because we did not talk about Python previously since since 19 since sorry since 2000 since 2019, this Python became so much popular. That is the reason why people started to think this Python is a new programming language, but the answer is no. So it has been already created previously than this Java. Okay, so why this Python became so much popular nowadays? Okay, as though it is a older language, but why this Python became so much popular in the year 2019, since 2019? The answer is according to the market. Okay, requirements according to the market requirements. Market means, so the market requirements they keep on changing day to day. Like every day market requirement is keep on changing. So according to the market requirement, the first reason why Python became so much popular, so market is looking for simple language and easy to understand. Okay, so this is the first requirement that the market has. Okay, so market is looking for the programming language which is a simple, that language should be simple and easy to understand. Everybody should understand it easy. Okay, I think there is no programming language easier than this Python. So Python, it's so much easy, it's a compatible as well. Okay, and the second reason is it's the lines of code in this Python is very less. Okay, we can say concise code as well. Concise means very less. Okay, so we require to write only very few, less number of lines to write a program to execute anything. Okay, unlike Java and C. This is a requirement. And the third requirement, nowadays people's been talking about this AL, ML, DL, 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 data science, and IoT, and so on. Okay, and so on. Okay, so nowadays people's been talking about these technologies. Okay, so Python is the best choice for all these technologies. Okay, unlike Java and C, so Python is used in all these technologies. Okay, so this is the market requirement. So according to the market requirement, Python is the best choice compared to the C, Java. Okay, that is the reason why this Python became so much popular nowadays. Okay, and the next thing is, why the name Python? Why the name Python? Okay, so here the founder is the creator is this person, right? This is a person who created this Python, right? Guido van Rossum. So he could have keep a Guido programming language, either or Van programming language or Rossum programming language, right? But why did he choose this Python especially? So there is a story behind it. Okay, why he chose Python especially? So he could have keep either one of his names, Guido programming language. Okay, so before that, just let me tell you something. For suppose we people are likes, if we like someone, or if there are any loved ones, and if we like any celebrities, we people try to set their names as our password, right? So for suppose if I'm liking Allu Arjun a lot, so I'll try to, so most of the peoples will set Allu Arjun as their password. Most of the case, this is the thing happening, right? So here also, this Guido van Rossum was very much interested in a fun show called the Complete Monty, sorry, Monty Python Circus. Okay, so this is a fun show, I can say. Okay, so this is a comedy show. Okay, so this is a comedy show. The Complete Monty Python Circus is a comedy show, which was broadcasted in BBC in the year 1969 to 1974. This was the duration of the year, so where this program had run. Okay, had broadcasted. So in the year broadcasted in BBC. Okay, see, in India, there is this one comedy show, right? Like Jabardast, where it became so much popular. So people liked the show, right? Likewise, this Guido van Rossum also liked very much. So he was very much interested in this fun show called this Complete Monty Python Circus. So he chosen this Python from this circus, and he just kept as his programming language, Python programming language. Okay, that's it. Nothing apart from this. So not only this, if you see the Java, so not only this Java, and like even C, C++, Hadoop, and lots of stuff there, right, outside. So for all, there is a story behind to choose that particular name. Okay, see, let's 2 minutes. I'll just tell why James Gosling. So the founder of this Java is James Gosling. So why he chose this Java as his programming language? Okay, so uh, James Gosling, he was in a building. So outside of his building, there were some oak trees. Okay, oak trees. So he thought to keep Oak programming language. He thought to keep Oak programming language. He went to the registration office, and when he approached to that registration office, so that registration person said that this Oak already been used for some other purposes, so we cannot give this name to you guys. Okay, so that then after this James Gosling was very much interested in a tea flavor. Okay, so tea flavor called Java. So it is a tea flavor actually. He was very much interested in this flavor, Java. That is the reason he kept this Java as a programming language. Okay, that's it. And even there are some Hadoop, and not only for this. So for each and everything, there was a story behind it. Why they chose that particular name. Okay, so that's it. See, history of the Python is wait. So history of the Python. The person who created this Python was Guido van Rossum. So he worked in NRI in Netherlands. So National Research Institute. While he was working in this National Research Institute, he created this Python. So Python actually been created in the year 1989. Okay, after he created, he didn't make available to the market immediately. The official date of birth of the Python is 1991. Okay, 1991, and the date to be precise, February 20, 1991. This was the official date of birth when the Python made available to the market. Okay, so after that, people think like this is a new programming language. No, actually, it was created previously than Java. Okay, so in the year 1991 itself, but the Java came in the year 1995. But the Java official date of birth is 1996. Okay, 1996. 1996 it was that means Java made available to the market in the year 1996. Okay, see why this popular why this Python became so much popular nowadays, because according to the market requirements. So a market looking for the simple language, and like people's market means like people's like developers and everything like company. uh, Nowadays, like so many MNC companies like Google, Facebook, lots of companies been using this Python. It becomes that much popular because of these because of reasons. These are the some of the reasons. Okay, like they are looking for the simple language and easy to understand. That language should be understood by each and everyone, and they require very less number of codes compared to other programming language. Okay, uh, and these are the main areas where people are passionate about nowadays, and where people so many people are talking about. So for all these reasons, Python became so much Python is the best choice for all these reasons. That is the reason this became so much popular nowadays. And comes to the Python, so he was interested in this fun show Python, complete Monty Python Circus. He chose this name from there. So actually, this was broadcasted in BBC in the year 1969 to 1974. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, like it and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.